These are times road ragers got what they deserved. And first up, we have this guy, who was so upset he jumped on this person's car and started to smash their windshield. So he got what he deserved and then went on a little ride. You can probably guess how this video ended, right?
好牛啊！我操！
Classic case of instant karma for this guy. This blue car was riding someone's bumper, but unfortunately for them, it wasn't someone you wanted to mess with.
That's a hitter.
This idiot didn't stop at the stop sign and proceeded to get mad at someone who almost hit him. He got what he deserved though, because now the internet knows he's a fool. The person in the car hit a biker, but got what he deserved when this man tracked him down. Don't worry, I'm sure the police were able to find this driver easily. This idiot was just parked in the middle of the road just to disrupt traffic. A couple of minutes later, he got what he deserved.
We can go ahead and get him out of your way and then send you on your way?
Absolutely, no problem at all.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, so if you just want to be careful backing up, and then we'll get him on out of the way and we'll get you on your way, okay, sir?
All right, thank you so much.
This road rager tried to act tough, but instead he just embarrassed himself.
Just drive your car! Or what? Yeah, that'll end up real well for you. You're a road rager, man. I'm just telling you, get out of the road.
This kid was throwing a temper tantrum, and like some of the others in this video, got what he deserved by embarrassing himself on the internet.
These kids were trying to get in her car and throwing drinks at her.
How are you going to act tough but then run back to your car when they start talking back to you?
Yeah, go ahead and break the law. Go ahead and break the law. Go ahead and break the law. It's a school zone, you bitch, motherfucker. It's a school zone. Huh? Well, you think you're tough, you bitch.
This is an idiot driver, but at the same time, it's a great road rage move. He did end up getting a ticket though. The caption on this video explains it all.
Bitch, go ahead if I bust you in your head, bitch. Go ahead.
All right, bro.
The kid pulled up out of nowhere looking for a fight. What is this dude wearing? The only thing this kid accomplished was getting arrested and breaking his helmet. How are you going to get out of your truck to fight, but leave it in drive? He still came back after embarrassing himself, though. This lady pulled up threatening to call the cops, but she was illegally using her phone while driving. Please be smarter.
I have you on film, and I have to what you said on film, too. I am calling the police. See ya. What'd you say to her? You go on the police.
This video may be staged, but it's a great example of how people look when they try to act like a big man.
You cut me off, you son of a b****. Get the out that car. Get the out right now. I'm gonna tear you a new. Come on, get out. I'm gonna beat the. Hey, I didn't know it was you.
This person was trying to pass them on the bike lane, but was unsuccessful. But keep watching because it gets even better.
This level of road rage is crazy, but in the
I
end,
think it might be on the Friday. Some fucking moron drive like a fuckhead. See that guy trying to overtake me in the bike lane? Look, now he's up on here.
Oh my god. What? Oh, that opens.
What's wrong with this guy?
There's something wrong. That's what he just did then. Oh my god, he's psycho. Are you right?
This dude still drove away after being confronted. If you guys enjoyed the video, click the video on the screen because you will like that one even more.